everyone, CeeCee here, and my blog giveaway contest is officially closed. It is Monday morning, June the 6th at 12:08 a.m. and as you can see here, I have had, down below here, I have had 100 comments. I can't believe it. The response has been so great, and I thank each and every one of you who participated. So without further ado, I'm going to go to random.org and pick a number, and I have set it to go from 1 to 100, and I'm going to hit generate. And bear with me because I'm doing this with my left hand because I want to film with my right hand. So if I click on generate, so the winner is number 16. So we're going to go back to my blog, and I need to click on the actual post so I can get everybody's numbers. And if we scroll down to number 16, there she is, Giovanna. So there's the Giovanna's comment. Congratulations, Giovanna, and thank you so much for everybody who participated. Your comments were so appreciated. I feel the love, and I'm going to keep on going for another at least 500 posts, and hopefully I'll have more blog giveaways in between now and then. So thank you once again, and I will see you later. Bye.